Welcome to eMotors Direct, your source of industrial parts, motors, and accessories. A broken motor can cause various problems. This includes lost revenue, employee downtime, spoiled product, and late delivery dates, which can give your company a black eye. We understand the value of time, accessibility, and professionalism. Whether it's a broken motor, a custom gear reducer, or just looking for a parts upgrade, eMotors Direct is here to help you. Our staff has over 30 years of experience in the industry and are readily available through our web chat or just a phone call away. We have access to over 75 million in inventory and can dropship from 30 warehouses in 6 different cities within Canada. We guarantee there's no other motor wholesaler that can compete with our customer service and selection of inventory. Choose eMotors Direct today for your industrial motor and accessory needs.